Hey guys, come along with me as I try out a skin cycling routine with Benton Cosmetics. Right now I'm putting on a new snail cleanser I just got, trying to just get off the dirt and grime from the day, all off my face. And then I'm going in with the Aloe BHA Skin Toner from Benton Cosmetics, trying to really get deep into those pores, get out the dirt that the cleanser might have missed with this exfoliant. Then I'm going in with my Hydrating Serum to try to put back the moisture that I just stripped out with the liquid exfoliant and the snail cleanser, really get the hydration just back into my skin. Oh, look how cute I am. Day 2, just using my normal hydrating cleanser. And then I'm going in with the Botulinum Serum, again from Benton, to add a little more hydration and evenness to my skin tone. This serum actually smells like herbal white tea. It's actually kind of a pleasant smell, though I wasn't expecting it, but I'm kind of pleased by it. I like it. Then I'm finishing out the day with my normal hydrating moisturizer. I use this every day, just trying to lock in the moisture that I just got in from the serum. Going in with, again, my normal cleanser, working it into the skin to get all the daily dirt and grime off of my face. Then going in again with my normal hydrating serum, trying to get all that moisture that I've lost throughout the day back in, just working it gently in to not activate my rosacea. And then finishing out with the ceramide cream, again from Benton Cosmetics, trying to put all that moisture back into my skin and calm down the rosacea. This cream did smell like herbal tea, and I was pleasantly surprised by it. Didn't expect to like the smell as much as I did. And this was my time with trying a skin cycling routine. Thank you for watching.